Hello, hello. Cindy Lewick here, brand partner with Young Living, coming to you with frequently asked questions. I get a lot of the same questions a lot, so I'm sure other people do too. The first question is, how much is it, or is it expensive? It is not. $14.95, you can literally start your own Young Living business and be on your way. It's a digital brand partner kit that you get digitally for $14.95. Super easy. Another question I get is, do I have to do this full time? Like, do you have to, quit your job and go all in with this? No, you don't. Some people do. Some people hate their corporate job and they figure like, I'm going to do totally something different. They dive right in. You can do it full time, part time, or big time. Like you can do it, part time, just get your order covered, your loyalty order covered. That's kind of how I started doing it. I think that's how a lot of people start doing it. You can do it full time, like if you're, we're a stay-at-home mom and now the kids maybe are at school and you're looking for more like full-time work, you can dive right in. If you hate your corporate job, you can quit and do this full-time, big time, whatever you want. So it's super flexible. It's however much you want to put into it. It's what you're going to get out of it. Okay. Do you have to know every product? No. In fact, there's probably very few people that actually know all products. There's like 700, I believe. There's maybe over 700 products now. So that would be like semi-difficult to know every single product, right? So no, you don't have to know everything. There's tons of resources. There's all the education Facebook groups. There's your upline. People help you cross-line. Totally, you don't have to know all the products. I would say like pick, one or two of the starter kits or how you started and, really get to know that. And then maybe like your top 5 favorites or like the 5 you use every day, something like that. And then just build from there. What are the order requirements? So as a brand partner, of course you should be on Loyalty Rewards. And that's a minimum of 50 PV, super easy. If you're using supplements and all the personal care products and all the oils, you're going to be doing that every month anyway. And then as a brand partner, to earn commissions, you will need to have 100 CV, which is like you and any customers that are not brand partners that you've signed up. So basically, I always just do the 100 and cover it myself. And then you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to like calculate it and all that. Another question is, do I have to carry products, like stock products? No, you don't sell it out of your home. You're selling it through Young Living. They do all the shipping, and all that, and the stocking and all that. So you're just like the vessel to Young Living. You're like the person that's giving them all the information. They order it technically from Young Living, but just through you. You're like their contact. So you don't have to stock anything. Any extra that you might have, like, you get free products every month with your loyalty reward, that's going to be like extra stuff. Maybe it'll be new to you or whatever. That would be probably the only products that you would have that like you didn't purposely order. Do you have to have a large social media following? No. I definitely do not. And I mean, it's gotten bigger like as time goes on as I'm doing this, but you don't have to start out with a huge following. You need like your core friends that are gonna have your back and build from there. Like you don't need a big social media following. What else? Let's see. I think that's about it for like the most popular questions, but I'm sure as people have more questions, I'll do another live about this with other questions. And you guys, it's like the best decision I've ever made. And it's super easy, inexpensive, not a lot of legwork. Literally, you just share the products you love and people will jump on. So hope you have a great day. Cheerio.